Welcome to another edition of the Monday Money Tip, brought to you by I Was Broke, Now I'm Not. We're committed to help you take your finances to another level, and we offer it on a Monday to help your week start off right and maybe make that Monday just a little bit better. My name is Joseph Sangle, and I'm so excited to serve you, and I count it a privilege and a high honor to help you in your financial journey. I'm the founder of I Was Broke, Now I'm Not, and I cannot believe how many hundreds of thousands of people, even over 2 million people now, we've been able to assist with their money journey, and it's just such a privilege and an honor to help you. Today, I'm going to talk about a very important topic called diversified investments. Diversified investments are very critical to ensuring that you don't lose everything that you build up as you climb the I Was Broke, Now I'm Not ladder. It's talked about in great detail in my latest book, Oxen, which are the key to an abundant harvest. And in that book, I talk about all types of investments. And I'm confident it can help you. You can check it out at Amazon.com or purchase it through our store at IWasBrokeNowI'mNot.com. But diversification is defined as a risk management technique that mixes a wide variety of investments within an investment portfolio. In other words, it helps you spread that risk around so that there is a much reduced rate or chance or opportunity for your investments to go to exactly zero. No one likes to invest in a loser, and we don't like to lose our money. We work hard enough for it, and diversification is a way to kind of protect yourself from losing it all in one fell swoop. And when you're considering diversification, I really want you to think of it in two ways. Number one is within the stock market. Within the stock market. Now, many times you're talked to by an investment advisor. Maybe it's through your company retirement plan, or you've heard Clark Howard or Dave Ramsey or David Bach or Susie Orman or Robert Kiyosaki or one of these financial gurus talk about diversification within the stock market. And I will share with you, you need to be diversified within the stock market between bonds and mutual funds and stocks and ETFs and all the different things that are available there. But I want you to also consider diversification, point number two, beyond the stock market. This is what many of them don't talk about, is it's very important that you invest beyond the stock market. I've discovered that a rising tide will lift all ships, and a lowering tide will also lower all ships. And if you've been around very long, you've seen that the stock market, when it's going up, pretty much everything goes up. When it's going down, pretty much everything goes down, even good companies. And so it's very important to be diversified within, but also beyond the stock market. Let's talk about within the stock market. You should be invested in types of investments that make sense for you and your goals and your strategies and commiserate with your age and what you want to accomplish with your dollars. But within the stock market, make sure you don't have all of your money in one single company stock, because if that company decides to do creative accounting, you might see it go to exactly zero in one day. Can we all say Enron? Enron was a company stock that they did creative financial accounting. Let's call it what it was, fraud. And their absolute stock went from very high heights and huge returns year over year. It went to zero overnight. The company went bankrupt. It doesn't exist anymore. Be diversified so that if an individual company does derail, but whether their products are not received well by their customers or they encounter internal challenges, that you are not drugged down with that. Be diversified within the stock market. But you also should be diversified beyond the stock market. In other words, maybe you should own real estate. Maybe it's residential real estate. Maybe it's a rental house. Maybe it's commercial real estate, like a commercial outlet building. Maybe it could be a small business that you start. It could be a cottage industry that you run out of your house. Maybe the company has grown and it can go outside of the house, or you invest in someone else's small business. It could be antiques, not hoarding, but antiques. It could be precious metals, anything that's not traded in the regular stock market. It's very important to be invested beyond that stock market. One of my favorite things to own is land. I love land. Particularly land that has a lot of deer running around on it. It's a great thing to have. I can run around on it. I can enjoy it with my family. And it's an investment beyond the stock market. There's an investing calculator that is provided to you free of charge at IWasBrokeNowI'mNot.com, IWBNIN.com. You click on tools, and you can type in different types of investments at different rates of return, and it would tell you how much that would be worth at that moment, and also in 5-year increments should you consider investing at that rate for long periods of time. I encourage you to check it out because it will literally change your perspective of the importance of investing and ensuring that you have diversified investments that help you get a great return, but also prevent you from losing it all in one fell swoop. Again, all of this is taught in great detail in my book, Oxen. You can check it out at our store, IWBNIN.com. Click on store, and it's a hardcover book. We're really proud of it. I'm guaranteeing you it'll help you, and it'll help you really think differently about money and how you should approach investing. This is Joseph Sengel with the Monday Money Tip. I hope this helped you start your week off right. Get fired up.